Hey, what's up guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. Hi, hello, if you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. Hi, my name is Shanti, I'm from Singapore, I'm a YouTuber and blogger and I create new content on this channel every Fridays at 6 p.m. And if you'd like to extend your support out to me, which I would love to, all you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And I would like you to watch this video till the end and leave me a comment, and if you happen to like this video, don't forget to give this video a big like and share this with your family and friends. In today's video, it's going to be a product review on the It Cosmetics really long name. Let me get there. Your Skin But Better CC Plus All Free and Matte Pore Minimizing Full Coverage Cream. Plus, it's an anti-aging and hydrating serum. Plus, it also contains a SPF of 40, which is a physical sunscreen. This has a very tall claim to its name, and I'm going to be walking you through about my thoughts and first impressions about this product. And if you'd like to know more about my take on this, then please keep on watching. I placed an order for this cream on Sephora's website when they had their 20% sale going on, and what really stood out to me was its claim that it's going to be oil-free and matte. And typically these two things are something that I look out for because I am of an oily skin type. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, I'll put a playlist link right here and it will bring you to a whole playlist of a lot of product reviews that are geared towards oily skin type. And I really just wanted to test this out for myself because Deepavali is coming and I'm going to be out and about taking a lot of pictures and spending a lot of time with my family and friends. I obviously want to have my face makeup for as long as possible without having to without having to have a challenging situation where I keep going around back to the toilet to fix my makeup and touch up and powder down. I just wanted to give this a shot and see if I like it and probably see if I want to use this for Deepavali or not. This has a very high price tag to it. This is actually $62 if I'm not wrong on Sephora's website, but I did get a 20% off on this product. And this packaging contains, mind you, this is actually not a foundation or a concealer, it's just marketed as a cream, and for that it's priced at $62. But it does contain 1.08 fluid ounces, which is approximately 32 milliliters of its cream, and it comes in a squeezy tube like this. When you lift the cap off, it comes with a pump, which is always nice and sanitary, like almost every other foundation that comes with a pump or a tube. I believe there's one from Sephora. This also has like a tube-like packaging. A couple of years back, I also had tried another product that's quite similar to its overall packaging and how it actually works on the skin. I believe it was also one of my favorite when I just had my baby, maybe within the 1 year or 2 year plus. I believe it's from Misha, but it does say that it has full coverage cream and it has pore minimizing benefits coupled with anti-aging and hydrating serum in it. So this has a lot of information. Unfortunately, this is not the cream that I have on my skin right now. But over the period of testing, I have noticed that this product does not give me a matte finish. It does give a very natural skin-like finish if you would like to ask me, but I definitely feel like it did not give me a matte finish. It had like almost like a very satin feel to it. One other interesting, fascinating thing to note is that this cream was actually formulated in a lab, developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists, so it's clinically tested. And it also says that it's cruelty-free and it's tested under dermatological control. When I looked up this product on their official website, which is It Cosmetics, it also said that it contains Moroccan clay and another type of clay in it. That is perhaps why I feel like this might be really good when it comes to oil control or sebum production. During the time that I have been testing out this product, I would usually just apply this product on top of my moisturizer and eye cream and skip out the SPF just so that I could see how much of actually physical sunscreen it has, because one of the two active ingredient in this product is going to be titanium dioxide. In exact, I believe it contains 7.4% of titanium dioxide, so it will give you that really ghostly pale skin when you're going to be taking pictures. It's not going to be photo friendly for someone who wants to wear this and have pictures taken. Just something to note. Along with the clays that are formulated in this cream, the second active ingredient in this cream is zinc oxide that is typically used in a lot of oil control or acne prone skin products in the market. That is also perhaps one of the reasons why I feel like it contributes to that oil-free claim in this cream, and I have not really had much of a breakout from using this product. That says a lot. Another cool thing about this cream is that you can actually use this as a moisturizer, a foundation, or a concealer, or even as an anti-aging serum and a sunscreen. So that's really cool. You can actually skip out on a lot of stuff, but I do not highly recommend you do that unless you do a little bit of trial and error and see how this actually works the best for your skin type. Of course, if you're someone who has oily skin and acne prone skin, this would be something that you might want to consider for daytime. Definitely give this product a try because I feel like it's such a unique product that has a lot of science mumbo jumbo behind it, and it has a lot of skin benefiting ingredients. Apparently, if you were to use this continuously, your skin is supposed to be benefiting from it and give you dramatic results. One thing to note is that the product does not go on very smooth like a foundation, like a liquid foundation. It feels a little bit thicker in consistency, and I feel like if you were to use a buffing brush, like a very stiff buffing brush like this one, you would be able to blend the product out much better rather than if you were to try to just bounce this off with a beauty blender. I feel like this and this do not work together well because I feel like it's not kind of distributing the product nicely onto the skin. But with the buffing brush, I feel like it covers a lot more surface area with ease. Perhaps the consistency of its cream, it's not like a foundation like it's mentioned over here. I feel like this product would definitely come in handy for someone who is looking forward to protecting their skin further, and you know, it has a lot of hydrating serum in it, and I'll include a lot more information in my blog post. I'll put it right here if it's up already. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus all-free matte high coverage cream. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down here. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!